Hey everyone, Spencer with FASS Fab. Behind me is two of our mini CNC machines. We're just going to look over the parts that this machine is producing for us. On this card here, I have some of the parts that you're going to recognize. Fuel system parts is the main component that we run on this. But the machine behind us is two horizontal Mazaks. Also attached to those are a Palatech. And what the Palatech does holds 24 four-sided tombstones. That's two parts per side. So this machine is really good at high volume parts, a lot of material removal. With this machine, we're able to load up a bunch of parts, walk away, come back to finished goods. It provides a very high quality product, low cycle times, which results in lower costs for you guys. With this machine being set up the way that it is, it allows us to run literally hundreds of parts a day, allows us to keep up with the demand for the fuel system side of the business, and also provide a very high quality product, so no sacrifices anywhere. If you guys are interested by the machining side of things, the sheet metal fabrication, we're going to be doing an entire series on all the machines. So far we've really only talked about the CNC machining side. We have a lot more machines to talk about. We have lasers, pipe benders, press brakes, welders, robotic welders, all kinds of stuff to talk about that we have in-house. A lot of people don't know that we make majority of this stuff in-house. With us doing it in-house, we can control costs better, quality, and also provide some very unique products that you can only get from us. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy.